Kendrick Thomas on Infused TV with Grillz and Joey Roberts. Now, what a really good grappling match. Now,
yeah, it was a lot of fun.
Lots of fun.
Yeah, it was enjoyable.
Now, the main goal was to promote Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. Do you guys think you got the message across? I'll start with you first.
Absolutely. You know, it was strong. He's very strong, but he almost got my leg in a knee bar there. And, you know, to rely on my techniques to get out of it. And then I tried a submission on him, didn't work, and time was up, pretty much.
Now, he had you in a good Kimura, I believe it was.
Well, yeah, kind of a key lock. It's tough from full mount, submitting anybody in that type of position. It's a tough spot. You would think full mount is a great place to be, but in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, there's not a lot you can do if you're not punching. But it went great. I had a good time. The full 5 minutes. I'm glad it went the whole way, so we could you know, give some good exposure for the schools and for the Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu company. So.
Great. Now, do you really think he looks like Sloth from the Goonies?
Oh man, that's you know.
Hey, Bruce Willis, man. Bruce Willis. I'll be filming Die Hard 19 next week.
What were you at the weigh-in? You told me he looks like who?
Yeah, the old poor man's Chuck Liddell. He's a great guy, though, man. He's a great guy. I think we got accomplished what we needed to.
Yes.
It was a great exposure, great crowd. A lot of people from both our schools and the surrounding area. So, because a lot of people hear different things about Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu and the gis and kimonos and ground and pound and this and that. So we wanted to give our side of it with the gi on and let people know what's going on.
No, that was real Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu with the gis, with the belts. And what I liked about it, because what I hate watching grappling matches with the gis is that the belts and all that stuff always come off.
Yeah.
But I noticed that it all stayed on, which is pretty good. And I think it's better that way because sometimes the fighter kind of gets a little uncomfortable once his gis off, you know?
Yeah, I mean, you can't utilize it. It's used for a reason, you know, for grip control and movement and submission and stuff. So when it comes off, it definitely is sometimes actually a disadvantage for even the guy that's either on the dominant position or on his back. It can really go against you if it flies off. So it's good, man. Tighten that thing up tight. He's ready to rock.
And even though the AC feels great out there, and these gis, and any gi, it is hot.
Yeah.
And you know, once the adrenaline, you go out there and step in the cage, you know, warming up back here in the locker rooms back here. You get out there and it's just throw it all on the line, man. You know, that's what we do.
That's true. Now, anything you guys think you need to work on after this? Is anything that each other of you guys exposed that you said, wait a minute, maybe I need to get back to the gym and really work on this?
I'm going to take a little break and keep it PG. I'm ready to have some Bud Light. I'm going to work on my drinking habits. No, I'm just kidding. No, man, you know, I feel great. He was strong as hell. You know, he phenomenal match. I have no complaints. I'm glad, you know, went the way it did, you know. Tough opponent. And, you know, we'll see what happens from here, you know.
I'm going to go fishing.
Oh, yeah.
That's all I know how to do, man. That's all I can do. JoeyRobertsFishing.com, by the way. I got a YouTube channel, website out there with my schedule and results and all my sponsors on it. So, and the Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu Gi Company, Serpentine Kimonos.
Serpentine.
Definitely look it up. Sales are going well. I've actually sold to 39 states now. Sold a couple out of the country. It's going real well. And like I said in our first interview, I've exclusively sold at American Top Team with Dean Thomas, at Treasure Coast American Top Team now. So I'll probably just go fishing a little bit, heal up from this guy getting a hold of me, and you know, we'll see how it goes. But I'm constantly training, just here and there, doing either some kickboxing classes or some Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. So I'm always.
I gotta compliment you on your gis because they're very light. And I'm not doing this just for the camera. I ain't doing this for the camera. And the pants were really light and, and comfortable.
Ripstop pants, so you've got some jeans on right now. But yeah.
You're gonna sweat in any gi, but these, it's just
comfort.
Very,
I mean, it's flexible and it's easy to roll in. So.
Really good at cutting weight, you know. Really good at cutting weight, which is really good. Last words for any of you two?
Nope, just appreciate you, man.
Oh,
I mean, you look fantastic as always.
You are gorgeous.
Man. Beautiful.
You are gorgeous.
I get
Beautiful.
it. I get it.
Let's go.
Thank
you, man. Buy you a drink.
Yeah? I'm a Long Island iced tea guy, by the way.
Well, let's go do it.
I appreciate it.
Oh, anytime.
Thank you.
This was the most fun fight I think I've covered.
Oh, well,
You guys are really
likewise.
great. Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you so much. We gotta do it again, man.
We
Absolutely.
will.
Yeah?
We will. Searstown parking lot. We're gonna open it back up downtown Fort Pierce.
Oh, sounds
Yeah,
good. Sounds
yeah. Circa '87.
Now, you said that you might, because your kids like fishing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you
I'm
guys
gonna
might-
get
Yeah,
hooked up.
I'm gonna take them fishing.
He's gonna take him fishing.
Oh,
For sure.
He's gonna take him
For
fishing.
sure.
That's really good.
I'll do it.
I told you about the story of my landlord went fishing out in the ocean, got
So
stuck
they,
out there.
yeah. Well, there's a lot of gators over in Okeechobee. I'm sure I could
Oh, boy. I hate
find
gators.
something to do with him and his kids.
Kendrick Thomas of Fuse TV, Paulie Grillz, Joey Roberts.